Welcome to this video about how to get your tax identification number in Nigeria. Tax is a part of life we all must deal with, and knowing how to get your TIN is crucial. We've put together this easy-to-follow guide to take the mystery out of the TIN process in Nigeria, for individuals and businesses alike. We'll walk you through each step. Our goal is to help you meet your tax requirements and open your company's bank account without any stress. What is a tax identification number, TIN? A tax identification number, TIN, in Nigeria is much more than just a series of digits. It's a unique identifier that the government assigns to individuals and businesses to streamline tax-related transactions and ensure compliance with tax laws. Think of it as a social security number or a personal identification number, but for tax purposes. It's essential for not only facilitating your tax payments but also for a variety of financial operations, such as opening a bank account, applying for loans, registering for business permits, and more. Issued by the Joint Tax Board (JTB) in Nigeria, which works in conjunction with the Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS) for businesses and the State Inland Revenue Service (SIRS). It isn't merely about being on a list, it's about being recognized as a contributing citizen or business within the financial system. 2. Avoiding double taxation. With a TIN, you establish a transparent record of your tax payments. This transparency allows for your contributions to be accurately traced and verified, ensuring that you aren't taxed more than once for the same income. 3. Government loans. Accessing government loans in Nigeria requires a TIN. 4. Foreign exchange transactions. It's a standard requirement for such transactions, ensuring compliance with financial regulations. 5. Opening a corporate account. Planning to open a corporate account. Banks will ask for your TIN. Nigeria as an individual is straightforward. The Joint Tax Board assigns a unique TIN to every eligible taxpayer. If you have a bank verification number or a national identity number, you're automatically registered and should already have a TIN. Here's how you can get your TIN as an individual. 1. Check for automatic assignment. Your TIN may have been automatically assigned based on your BVN or NIN. 2. You can confirm your TIN status on the official Joint Tax Board's verification portal. The website for this is in the description of this video. 3. Visit the FIRS office. If you need to register manually or cannot find your TIN online, gather the necessary documents and visit the nearest Federal Inland Revenue Service office. 4. Submit your documents. Provide a completed TIN application form, a valid identification card, such as an international passport, national ID card, driver's license, or voter's card, a recent passport-sized photograph, proof of employment, like a contract or an employer's letter, and a recent utility bill as proof of address. Remember, getting your TIN as an individual is essential, not only for tax compliance but also for carrying out official transactions that require tax identification. Plus, it's your ticket to access a range of financial services. Forms. Company's utility bill as proof of address. The company seal. An application letter on the company's letterhead. A completed TIN application form. The registered office address of the company. The business address. A brief on the nature of the business. The date the company began operations. The company's accounting date. Details of the company's bankers. Information on major shareholders. Details of the company directors. Auditor's name and address. Tax representative's name and address. You are required to present original documents for verification and provide 2 photocopies of each for as a business name, not as a limited liability company, need to submit the business name registration certificate, a utility bill for proof of the business address, a duly completed TIN application form, an application letter on the business's letterhead, the business stamp. How long does it take to get a TIN in Nigeria? When applying for a tax identification number, TIN, in Nigeria, the standard processing time typically spans 10 working days from the day you submit your application. However, it's important to note that delays can occur. If FAS is experiencing a high volume of applications or other internal delays, it might take longer to receive your TIN. For those who opt for online registration through the Joint Tax Board's portal, the process is expedited, and your TIN is usually generated within 48 hours post-submission. This is a quicker route and can be more convenient as it avoids the potential delays of in-person submissions. How much does it cost to get a TIN in Nigeria? Getting a tax identification number in Nigeria is generally free of charge if you apply on your own. This applies to both individuals and corporate entities. There should be no government fee associated with obtaining a TIN from the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FAS, or the Joint Tax Board, JTB. Well, I got mine online for free, and you can do so via the link in the description of this video. However, if you choose to use the services of a third party, such as an agent or a tax consultant, to assist you in the application process, you will likely incur a service charge. In conclusion, obtaining a tax identification number in Nigeria is a critical step for both individuals and businesses to ensure tax compliance. The process has been streamlined to accommodate online applications, providing ease and efficiency. For individuals, automatic TIN assignment through BVN or NIN has made the process simpler. Special credit to Entrepreneurs NG.